Hello guys. So this is Salvia AI. It is a healthcare guidance for every community, and what we've built is like making healthcare accessible to everyone through their local languages, whether they are literate or illiterate. So our main features are health chat, alerts, first aid, and find care. Our health chat it uses AI to understand what the user is trying to say in their own local language and tries to respond in that language as well. Alerts we have in location enable alerts, so it's alerts the user of if there are any regional diseases or outbreaks happening in that area at that time. The first aid uses a common database to suggest some first aid tips and what to do and what not to do during those cases. And finally, the find care, it uses the user's location to find the nearest clinic, NGOs, community workers, and so on, so that the user can find the nearest healthcare. We'll visit each options one by one. So we can just directly go to the health chat and see how it works. So we're logged in and we can now start the health chat and see how it works. So if I talk in English, this will respond in English. For the sake of demonstrating, I'm going to change the language to another language. I'm going to use Amharic as I know the language. ሆዴን አሞኛል, which I basically just said that I'm feeling sick on my stomach. Then if the user clicks on the voice chat and talks to it, they can get a response in their own native language without having to type anything. So that the AI understands now we're talking in Amharic, and then it responds in that same language that we just used to talk to it. Okay, so this is what it responds. It has some English parts if the user understands English too, and basically any Amharic speaker can be able to understand what it's saying. It's translating. It's using the text in Amharic. It's displaying the text in Amharic and then displaying it in English too as well. So as you can see. The main chat feature works. In the future, we'll integrate a read aloud button. This currently only works when the text is English, but we can use Whisper API to make it read Amharic, Swahili, and many other languages included. The next feature we can try is, let's switch back the language to English, and we can try to see, for example, the first aid. These are common first aid tips. The user can search what's happening to them. For example, we can search heat stroke, and it basically tells them what to do, what not to do. And if the user feels like the case is an emergency, it can filter out emergency cases for it, and the users can do what's appropriate. The next feature is find K. This detects our location. We're in Kigali, Rwanda. Once the user logs in, it auto detects where the user is, displays the location, and finds the nearest location near to the user's current location. So it can find clinics, NGOs, community health worker centers, and even hotlines. The final feature we added is alerts. This is currently it shows like regional disease outbreaks that are happening. For example, in Kigali, it has our location, and it's saying that malaria is currently a disease alert, and it's spreading rapidly. 342 reported cases. But a new but not fully well-built feature we've been trying to add is a symptom body map. We can make this in the future more precise and accurate. The user basically clicks on which body part they're feeling pain in, and AI focuses on that body part, and then they can increase the severity level as trying to describe it and describe the symptoms better. We can add voice chat so that the user can, the AI, the browser transcribes what the user is saying so that the users don't have to type in the future. Another feature we've added would be our WhatsApp bot. Since most of rural Africa uses WhatsApp, we can make it more accessible to everyone through the WhatsApp bot. It's already launched and running, and in the future we can add voice chat into the WhatsApp bot so that it can support multi language chat. Thank you.